Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about West Asia. So, before studying any map, let us have a blueprint approach to study the map. So, whenever we study the map, if we can have a strategy to study it, it will be very easy and we can remember in a long term. So, today we will divide every map whenever we study from now into two things, that is landforms and water bodies. So the landforms consists of mountains, plateaus and deserts. So we will be studying in landforms, mountains, plateaus and deserts. And in the water bodies, we will divide these water bodies into two divisions, that is outer water bodies and inner water bodies. So the outer water bodies include seas, gulfs, bays and straits, and inner water bodies includes rivers and lakes. So, in our first part, we will be studying about the various countries of West Asia. So, there are totally 19 countries in West Asia. The West Asia also includes Turkey and Cyprus. So, I have given some code words. So, Turkey and Cyprus stands for CT, and the second one is GAA countries, just Georgia, Armenia, and Azerbaijan. The third group of countries is Jordan and Iraq. The fourth one is Iran. The fifth one is Kuwait, Bahrain, and Qatar. So I have given a code word KBQ. So the sixth one is Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Oman, and Yemen. So yes, YOU. Yes, YOU. The four countries are slip countries: Syria, Lebanon, Israel, and Palestine. So these are slip countries. So let us all have a mind map approach to West Asia. So whenever we go for mind map approach, we used to take a one of the country as a central point. So we will be mapping the other countries around the central country, so that whenever it appears in the news or bilateral relationships, it will be easy to move our mind where the country is actually located. So if we can take this Iraq is at the center of West Asia for assumption, so that it will easy for our mind map to draw. So I have taken Iraq as the center, and around Iraq towards the north, you have Turkey. We have Turkey, so I have taken Turkey towards the north, and slightly towards the northwest, we have some small island country that is located Cyprus. So here it is not given in the map, that is Cyprus. So those are Cyprus in the northwest direction. To easily remember, I have both given the both countries towards the north. So this we have given a code word called CT. CT is the Cyprus and Turkey. And slightly towards the northeast direction, we have three countries, that is Georgia, Azerbaijan, and Armenia. So I have given a code word called GAA countries, that is Georgia, Armenia, and Azerbaijan. And the next country towards the east, we have this Iran. Iran. So towards the Iraq in our mind map also I have given the country Iran. And towards the slightly towards the southeast direction, we have these uh, three important countries, that is KBQ countries, that is Kuwait, Bahrain, and Qatar. So the small country, island country is Qatar. So I have given a code word called KBQ. Kaun banega? Kuwait. You can remember in this way. So KBQ stands for Kuwait, Bahrain, and Qatar. So slightly towards the south of this Iraq, we have this Saudi Arabia, very big country of West Asia, that is Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia. So still towards the south, slightly towards the south, we have YOU countries. YOU countries. That is Yemen, Oman, and United Arab Emirates. Yemen, Oman, and United Arab Emirates. So, and slightly towards the west, we have very important countries. That is one of the countries, Jordan. That is Jordan. Here also you have this Jordan. Here, here you have this Jordan. So, Jordan. So, after Jordan, also we have slightly towards the West, four important countries, that is slip countries. I give the name as slip. So always these countries get in slipped into wars. In the news we can see Syria, Lebanon, Israel, and Palestine one or the other way they appear in the news because they always slip into wars. So I given a code word called slip countries. So above the slip countries, we have a country called Lebanon. So Lebanon. So above the slip countries, we have a country called Lebanon. So if you can repeatedly use this mind map, you draw this mind map into a paper, and also when we keep the atlas aside, so that if we can repeatedly try to draw this mind map, it will be easy for us to remember. So thank you, students. Please subscribe my channel and share it.